Hello and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, we're solving a request from one of our awesome subscribers. He asked, in this method, the list is organized as name 1 in column 1, name 2 in column 2, name 3 in column 3, name 4 back in column 1. If I want to organize name 1 to name 30 in column 1, name 31 to name 60 in column 2, and name 61 to name 80 in column 3, how can I achieve it? Great question, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. The idea here is to take a long list and turn it into a table that fills column by column, not row by row. So let's dive in. I've got a list of names here from name 1 all the way to name 80. And what we want is simple. The first 30 names should go into the first column, the next 30 into the second, and the final 20 into the third column. To begin, I'll first select all the items in the list. Then I'll head over to the Insert tab, click on Table, and choose Convert Text to Table. A dialog box pops up. Now here's the important part. Under Number of Columns, I'll type in 30. Yes, I know we want 30 rows and not columns, but bear with me. We'll sort that out in a minute. Click OK. And just like that, our list has been laid out as a table in Word with 30 columns per row. But here's the thing. This table fills row by row, and that's not what we want. So we're going to flip the rows into columns and the columns into rows. Let's start by selecting the entire table, right-clicking and choosing Copy. Now let's move over to Microsoft Excel. I'll paste the table into an Excel sheet. You'll see that the Word table shows up nicely here. Now I'll copy the table again, just like we did before. But this time, when I paste it, I'll use the Transpose paste option. You can usually find this by right-clicking and selecting the small Transpose icon under Paste Options. And there it is. The data has now been flipped. What were once columns are now rows, and vice versa. Now it's in the exact format we want. 30 names in the first column, the next 30 in the second column, and the last 20 in the third. All that's left is to copy this new layout and paste it back into Word. It took a few extra steps, but as you can see, we've successfully organized the list just the way it was requested. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical tips and problem-solving tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.